5-minute chia seed hack for busy people to lose weight fast. You're busy. You barely have 5 minutes, let alone time for diets, workouts, or tracking every bite. But what if I told you one tiny seed, yes, a seed, could help melt stubborn fat? And it only takes 5 minutes a day to use it? Here's the crazy part. 90% of people use this seed the wrong way, and it's silently sabotaging their weight loss goals. We're talking about chia seeds. They're everywhere, in smoothies, detox drinks, even baked goods. But almost no one is using them in the way that actually burns fat effectively, especially if you're short on time. So in this video, I'm going to give you a simple 5-minute chia seed hack that fits into any schedule and could help you drop weight faster than anything else sitting in your kitchen right now. Stick around, because I'll show you the #1 mistake ruining people's energy, digestion, and keeping fat stuck no matter how healthy they eat. Let's be real. Most weight loss tips out there feel like they were made for people with unlimited free time. Meal prep every Sunday, cook every meal from scratch, track every single bite. Who has time for that? You're working, commuting, running errands, dealing with kids, meetings, stress, life. You're not lazy, you're just overloaded. That's where chia seeds should come in. They're tiny, nutrient-packed, and honestly, a total game changer, if you use them right. But here's the thing. Most people mess it up. They think more is better, and end up bloated, not better. They treat chia like a sprinkle, not a strategy. So today, I'm going to show you the right way to use chia seeds, one that takes just 5 minutes a day, and can actually help you shed fat even when life's a mess. And hey, if you're into realistic health tips that don't waste your time, hit that subscribe button. You'll get more simple, science-backed hacks like this every week. Let's break down why this chia seed fat loss hack works so well, especially for busy people. Why chia seeds help burn fat. Chia seeds are rich in soluble fiber. This type of fiber absorbs liquid and forms a gel-like substance in your stomach. Why does this matter? Because it slows digestion, keeps you full longer, and reduces cravings. Think of it as a natural appetite suppressant that doesn't mess with your metabolism. They also contain omega-3 fatty acids, which help fight inflammation and support hormone balance. Both are crucial if you're trying to lose fat and keep it off. Plus, they're a source of plant-based protein, about 5 grams per serving, which helps preserve muscle while you're burning fat. But again, only if you use them correctly. The 5-minute chia seed fat loss hack, step by step. Here's exactly what to do. It takes 5 minutes or less, and you can prep it the night before or first thing in the morning. Step 1. Soak your chia seeds, 2 minutes. Measure 2 tablespoons of chia seeds and add them to a glass or jar with 1 cup of water or unsweetened almond milk. Let it sit for at least 15 to 20 minutes, or ideally overnight. This allows the seeds to absorb the liquid and form that gel-like consistency your body loves. Never eat dry chia seeds. They can expand in your throat or stomach and cause discomfort, bloating, or even blockage. Soaking is non-negotiable. Step 2. Add a natural fat burner, 2 minutes. Once soaked, add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar or fresh lemon juice to the mix. Both have been shown to support blood sugar balance and boost metabolism. Lemon is especially great in the morning, and apple cider vinegar works well before meals. Step 3. Drink it before a meal, 1 minute. Drink this mixture 15 to 30 minutes before breakfast or before your biggest meal of the day. Why? Because it helps you feel full, eat fewer calories naturally, and keep blood sugar spikes under control. Bonus add-ons. Optional but powerful. Want to boost the effect even more? Add a pinch of cinnamon for blood sugar control. Add 1/2 teaspoon ground ginger to soothe digestion and fight inflammation. Mix with unsweetened green tea instead of water for an antioxidant kick. Just don't overdo it. This isn't about dumping a bunch of superfoods into a cup. Keep it simple, effective, and repeatable. The biggest mistake with chia seeds. Now here's what you absolutely want to avoid: eating too many chia seeds at once. More does not equal better. In fact, more can lead to bloating, constipation, or gut discomfort, especially if you're not drinking enough water. Stick to 1 to 2 tablespoons per day max. And remember, don't just sprinkle them into random foods dry. That defeats the whole purpose. Real-life example. One woman I knew added dry chia to her oatmeal every morning and couldn't figure out why she felt bloated, tired, and stuck. She started this 5-minute hack every morning before her coffee. After 10 days, she noticed her appetite drop, her energy rise, and the scale finally started moving again, without changing anything else. That's the power of doing one small thing consistently and correctly. What makes this hack so effective? It's simple. You're not skipping meals, starving yourself, or relying on weird supplements. You're priming your digestion, keeping blood sugar steady, and staying full with fewer calories without even thinking about it. And the best part? It takes 5 minutes or less. You don't need fancy tools. You don't need another crash diet. You don't need to punish yourself to lose weight. You need one small ritual that works behind the scenes, even when your life is chaos. This chia seed hack can do that if you use it smartly. Remember, weight loss isn't about doing more. It's about doing what actually works and repeating it. You're not failing because you're not trying hard enough. You're stuck because no one showed you the right small habits that actually make a difference. Let's recap real quick. Chia seeds are a secret weapon for fat loss, if you soak them first. Use 2 tablespoons, soak in water or almond milk. Add apple cider vinegar or lemon juice, maybe a few extras like cinnamon or ginger. Drink before meals, especially breakfast or your biggest meal. Avoid going overboard. Stick to once a day. It takes 5 minutes, but it can change your entire fat loss game. If this made sense to you, hit that like button. It helps more people who are stuck find real answers that work. Comment below. Have you ever tried chia seeds this way? And don't forget to subscribe for more down-to-earth, science-backed health tips that fit into your real life. Because holistic health doesn't have to be hard. Consistency beats intensity, especially when fat loss needs to fit real life.